brand new Tesla Model 3 in. We're tinting the whole car, chrome deleting the thing as well. We have the mirrors taken apart already. We're still working on some of the other ones. Sean, can you use his toy and point to where Raul touches you at night?
Yeah, here. I mean, like, if he's actually related to him, but he's like, dude, imagine if everyone knew at EVS I was related to him.
You think I'd be doing this right now?
You're saying you would be there?
I would be capitalizing on his success.
What would you run in his merchandise store?
Interviews, I'll be doing everything, bro. I'll be on the circuit. Know more about him, I'll be like, I got the beans, I'm a spiller.
Doing great, bro. Doing really good.
Really? My 7th day.
I thought it was your 10th.
Okay, don't exaggerate now.
Brand new Tesla Model 3 is ready to hit the roads in Houston. Came straight from Tesla to us. Client literally just drove it from Tesla. This is as fresh as it gets. And if you notice, the tint that we did on this one is a little bit darker than what we normally do. That's because this is 20%. So it gives you a little bit of extra privacy over like a 30% film. And the client wanted to do sort of a stormtrooper look, so we did a chrome delete in satin black. Mirrors, window trims, door handles, you know, the usual, of course. However, we did keep the T logos chrome just so then it has a little bit of an accent. Overall, really clean setup. I feel like this is how the Model 3 should come from factory standard.